Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Let's continue where we left. Previous lesson we finalized our about action filter. Today we're going to do the same one for the contact entity. But while I was thinking how I'm going to do this filter, I just realized we can convert our existing filter as a generic one, because for the contact entity, we're just going to copy all of them and create a new filter, and we're going to use two different filters. So it is not necessary. If we're able to do a generic one, why we shouldn't do this? Okay, let's see our filter first, which is located, here we go, application generic. Actually, yeah, I changed the name. You still have the different name. I changed the name before the lesson. I was trying if it's possible or not, and it's working. Do not worry about it. Okay, let's change the name as generic at prevention filter, because we're going to make it generic. Okay, and let's start with adding t variable, where t a class, and we have a base entity. Also, it's newable. Hold on. Yep. Let's delete this service, and we have a generic service in our repository. I'm gonna call it. To call that one, the unit of work is going to be enough for me, so I'm just gonna bring it a unit of work here. Unit of work. Sorry, it's gonna be read on I unit of work. Read only I unit of work. What is it? Yep, here we go. Let's add it in our constructor now. Constructor. Yeah, here we go. Let's delete about service now, as we don't need it anymore. Alright, let's change the names. Entity, list. Let's delete all of them. Unit. What is the unit of work? Oh my god, I hate this. I always using this type of naming pattern all the time. Unit of work dot get generic repository. I'm gonna bring t, which is variable one dot get all entity, and this is now iQueryable. I'm gonna convert it to list async, which is a synchronic method. Alright, let's fix the variable names, and the last one is we need to change these strings. Let's have a look. About. So this is generic, so we don't have any business with the about, so we have to put a generic name here. How we can do this? I'm gonna assign a variable the type of name. I'm gonna use the type of name method. Okay, var method name and type of t dot name. So we able to get our method name with type of t, because my entity names is the same with the, how can I say, my method names contains my entity name. So I'm gonna use entity name while I was creating my method names. Okay. I'm gonna show you before start here. Let's put a breakpoint here and let me explain what I'm thinking. Let's start with the debug. Oops, where is the error? Ah, okay. We need to amend our filter first, because this is about, right? Let's have a look. About control. So we need to add about here, because the class is like that now. So we need to add a variable here. Okay, let's probably going to fix the extension as well. Yeah. Yep. This is the extension. Let's fix this one. About. Alright, let's try one more time. Before continue, I would like to show you how I can find the method name with the type of variable dot name. Okay, let's go admin. Password star 1 2 star. Come on, come on. All right, perfect. It's correct. Let's go about section and at about. We're going to see now. Yeah, here we go. F10. Now we found our entity, which is about. Let's have a look. Did you see that? Entities about. Perfect, no problem at all. And we have a method name here. Method name is about. So I can use this about string here, here, and here. That's why I'm using all the time same naming pattern. If it's contact, it's going to be get contact list. Have a look our controller, admin, controller, contact controller. What is my get contact list method? Is the same pattern. You see that? Get contact list, get about list, get testimonial list, get blah 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 list. It doesn't matter which name it is, which entity it is, okay? Always use the same pattern and it helps you while you're creating your codes, filters, whatever you're doing. Okay, let's get back to our codes now. Stop debugging, stop the project. Okay, now we just need to assign those variable to the in our project. Don't forget to put your $sign here and method name. Okay, now we need to add one more here. Let's copy all of them with the brackets, method name list, and we just need our variable. Oops, sorry. Just need our variable to here. So it's going to be for contact, get contact list, and contact. This is the action. This is the controller. All right, perfect. Let's save it now and let's have a quick try. Before try, we need to add in our extension and we add this filter in our controller. Let's go back to our extension now. Service layer extension. No, not that one. Web application. Perfect. So we need to add our contact here. All done. The other one is. Where is the other one? Other one is the controller, right? Controller, contact controller. Here we go. Yes, this is the place that we add our filter. Service filters. Just change this one. Generic adds prevention filter for contact. All right, perfect. Let's save all of them, close all tabs, minimize, and have a try now. We um just just click the play. I'm waiting. I'm still waiting. Okay, let's type admin here and oops, where are we? Okay, all right. Let's log in now. Password star 1 2 star. Hopefully we logged in. All right. This is my biggest challenge. Where is the contact? Okay. Oh, we need to delete this contact as well. But before that, let's add one. So as you can see, we are here now. And let's continue. So I'm sorry, you already have a contact section. So you can see. Now let's remove this contact button from here as we don't need it if we already have one. We not that one area admin view contact get contact list. I only need to add here if model any um oops, what happened? It's interesting, yeah. It's going to be, yeah, if we don't have any data, so we can use add button. Let's have a look quickly. I'm waiting to page to be open. Okay, so if you can see, we're not able to add now. If even if we add about, oh sorry, add contact here, we're going to get an error message here. Perfect. All right. Let's see how many minutes have been done. It's 11 minutes. Okay, it's enough for that lesson. We in this lesson we change our field to the generic one and we implement our another entity which is contact and it's now working. Next lesson we're going to start another subject. Take care of yourself guys. See you later. Bye bye.